Hello guys, welcome to QIP Capital channel. In today's video, we're going to discuss the current crypto market condition. A major crash has just taken place in the crypto market, one of the biggest we've seen in a long time. Many traders are panicking after witnessing this sudden fall. If you're new to the crypto space and joined within the last 4 or 5 years, you probably haven't experienced a crash like this before. In every bull market, a flash crash always happens. The reason is simple. Massive long positions build up on one side, and whales, along with exchanges, start accumulating coins at the bottom. Then, they suddenly dump the market. And that's exactly what happened recently. If you've been following our channel, you might remember that I mentioned a few days ago that the market could experience a drop. There's a specific zone in the market where flash crashes usually occur, and once the price enters that zone, it falls sharply. Now you might be wondering, what should we do next? As I always say, spot traders don't need to worry, but futures traders face the real challenge. Most of the liquidity was sitting below key levels, especially around the 107K zone. When whales push the market beneath that area, it triggers a major crash. That's what we call a flash crash. It's a sudden drop followed by a quick reversal, but during that moment, it's almost impossible to buy. You may think you can catch the bottom, but 99% of traders fail to do it. Only 1 or 2 lucky ones manage to enter at the perfect point and make 2 or 3 times profit within just a few hours. This is exactly when whales and big players accumulate coins, especially during a bull market. I've seen this kind of event 2 or 3 times before, which is why I warned earlier that it could happen again. Usually, whales plan such moves during weekends when there's no major institutional inflow. They quietly accumulate in bulk, and by Monday, the market appears normal again. Those who invested early will see strong profits. But right now, buying cheap isn't that easy. The main reason, the dollar value has increased, and prices across exchanges have adjusted accordingly. If you still manage to find a better entry point, it's a great opportunity to invest. If you're already holding coins, don't panic. The market will recover soon. Bitcoin has already touched $100,000 and recovered from $12,000 in the past. Altcoins are also showing strong recovery. Many have doubled or tripled in value. Don't worry if you missed the bottom. If you're holding stablecoins like USTD, you can start accumulating now. The market is completely in the bottom liquidity zone, and once recovery begins, we'll see a strong bounce. Right now, whales and exchanges have already absorbed most of the bottom liquidity. That's actually a positive sign. A crash might look scary, and your portfolio may be showing losses, but this is how the crypto market truly works. They collect liquidity at the bottom, and later they'll trigger another flash crash near the top. If you stay patient for 2 to 3 months, you'll most likely see decent profits. Those investing now will get good returns once the market bounces back. Almost all coins have dropped, some even more than 50%. So yes, today's crash was really big. Follow our Instagram page. I post regular updates and market alerts there. Even major exchanges released statements today due to high volatility. Sometimes, platforms like Binance may temporarily pause trading, and that's completely normal. So don't panic, especially if you're new to trading. Stick to spot trades, hold patiently, and if you have extra funds, invest gradually. Within the next few days, the market should begin to recover. Whales usually accumulate during the weekend, and by Monday or Tuesday, the recovery starts. When Bitcoin dominance slowly declines, altcoins will begin their rally. This is an accumulation phase, a great time to buy. The market might move sideways for a short while, but once momentum builds up, expect an upside breakout. So stay calm, be patient, and let your investments grow. Okay guys, if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. And if you'd like to learn more interesting success secrets, make sure to subscribe to QIP Capital channel. Like, share, and support us. Thank you for watching.